Let me take you back to the 1800s, a time of horse-drawn carriages, grand voyages, and hidden secrets. This is the story of Louis Vuitton, a man whose name you know, but whose true story has been lost to time. It's a tale of survival, innovation, and a mystery that still remains unsolved. Louis was born in 1821, in a small forgotten village in France. His childhood was harsh. By the time he was 10, tragedy struck. His mother died, and soon after, his father followed. With no family and no future in his village, 16-year-old Louis made a bold decision. He would walk to Paris alone. He had no map, no money, and no plan, just sheer determination. Over 2 years, Louis traveled nearly 300 miles on foot, working odd jobs to survive. Every night, under the open sky, he promised himself, "One day, I will make something great of my life." When he reached Paris, fate smiled on him. He found work as an apprentice for a prestigious boxmaker, crafting custom trunks for the wealthy. Back then, packing was an art. Wealthy travelers needed their possessions packed carefully, and Louis quickly mastered the craft. But he wasn't content with tradition. He wanted to change everything. At the time, travel trunks were bulky with rounded tops, which made them impossible to stack. Louis had a radical idea. Flat-top trunks made from a special, lightweight canvas, durable and waterproof. His designs were revolutionary, and soon, Empress Eugenie, the wife of Napoleon III, became one of his first clients. Louis's reputation soared, but with success came danger. His designs were copied everywhere, threatening to destroy his business. Competitors lurked in the shadows, waiting to steal his next move. But Louis was ready. He introduced a secret canvas pattern, making his trunks nearly impossible to counterfeit. And then, there's the great mystery. According to legend, Louis once designed a custom trunk for a mysterious client. A trunk with hidden compartments, so cleverly disguised that only the client and Louis knew how to unlock its secrets. It's said the trunk held priceless jewels and confidential documents. After the client's sudden death, the trunk vanished. Some believe it's hidden in a private collection, others say it was lost in the chaos of war. To this day, no one has ever found it. Despite his fame, Louis remained a humble craftsman. He believed that true luxury wasn't about wealth, it was about quality, innovation, and a touch of the extraordinary. Louis passed away in 1892, but his son Georges carried on his legacy, expanding the brand worldwide and creating the iconic LV monogram to fight off counterfeiters once and for all. Today, Louis Vuitton is one of the most famous names in the world, but behind the luxury lies a story of survival, creativity, and a mystery that may never be solved. So the next time you see that iconic LV symbol, remember this. It represents not just luxury, but the unstoppable spirit of a boy who walked 300 miles, outsmarted his rivals,